In this lecture, we are going to learn about how you can change the owner in Linux operating system. First of all, let's understand what is owner. Okay, let's say you have one file. Okay, or before that, let's try to understand that you have currently logged in with root user, and then you created one file with the help of VI editor, and you have given the name text.txt, something like that. You added some content and then you save the file by using :wq. What you can see, the file will be available. But who will be the owner of that file? The owner of that file will be root user only, because a root user was logged in and he has created that file. That is why owner will be root. If you just do ls-lrt, there also you can see the owner of the file. Let me show you something practically. Okay, so we are here. Let me clear the screen. If I do ls-lrt, you can see that there is a file called con.txt. Now this file, the owner is Ankush and the group is Ankush. This is a group name. Now let's say I am creating one more file, vi check.sh. I am creating this file. I am adding some content. This is just for fun, and let me save this file wq. If I check ls-lrt, the file has been created, and who is the owner? Ankush, and this is the group. Why Ankush is the owner? Because currently I have logged in with Ankush user. Here you can see. You can also fire whoami command to check who is currently logged in. Ankush is logged in. Now let's assume that I want to change the owner. Why we will change the owner first? See, only Ankush can access this file now, and the people who are the part of this group can access this file, and other people only can read this file. Sometimes there are many times, we are in a situation where we need to change the owner. Let's say you are installing Oracle database, and that Oracle database software needs to be owned by Oracle user only. So what you will do, you will change the owner. How to change owner? By using the chown command. Chown, then the file name check.sh, and who want you the owner? Okay, let me give one more time. Chown, the owner I want root, and the group I want root, and the file name check.sh. I'm done. I'm getting a message called permission denied. I cannot change the owner, because in order to change the owner also you need to have permission. Let me do sudo. I'm sorry, I didn't enter the password. Let me do it one more time. I have entered my password, ls-lrt. Here you can see the check.sh has been owned by root user now. Earlier it was owned by Ankush user. Anyway, root user can go anywhere, he can do anything, that's not a problem. Let me log in with the root user now. I have given the wrong password. Switch user is the command to change the user. Now if I'm going here, let's say I want to change the owner of this directory. Okay, how? chown, and I'm going to use -r also option. -r means recursively whatever files and directories are available inside this directory, I want to change the owner of those files and directory also. So chown -r, the new owner will be, let's say, root is the group, and testdir. Done. ls-lrt. Now can you see here the testdir has been changed to the owner root. If there is any directory or files are there na, everything will be owned by root user now. Again, these are all hidden files actually. Okay, so that's okay. But if there are any files na, it will be get changed, because -r we mentioned. If you are not mentioning r, what will happen? Only this directory owner will get changed, but under this directory, if there is any files and other directories are there, their owner will not get changed. It will be the same. Alright, so this is how you can change the owner of your file or directory. The command is same, there is no difference, and this is really important. chown. So don't get confused with chown command, that is changing the ownership, and chmod command to change the permission. The owner will not get changed here. chmod will just change the permission. The chmod, if I do -r 755, let me give some number 755 and /data. So what will happen here also, when I'm using /-r, r means whatever files and directories are available inside this /data mount point, for each and every file the permission will be set as 755. That is full permission to the root, read and execute to the group and other people. So -r is really important. I hope this is pretty much clear for you. Thank you.